Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get your Perplexity API key, which is super great if you want to integrate it with other apps, automate workflows, or build your own AI tools. So before we start, make sure that you're using the latest Perplexity interface because the API section only appears on updated accounts. So yeah, let's begin. So once you're on your dashboard, what you will have to do is look for your profile icon, which should be right here. And then what you will have to do is just click this drop down menu, and then you will have to click API. And then basically what you will have to do once you're inside is you will just have to enter a name for your key. So for example, let's say my workflow. Okay, let's type in that. So for example, my workflow or whatever that you want for your new API group. And then for description, it's really up to you. And then your city, your state, your zip, and all that stuff. So you just have to fill out all this so that you will be able to actually get your key. So yeah, what you will have to do once you're done filling out all of this is you will just have to click save and just wait for it to load basically. And now what you will have to do next uh, is you could so if you want to buy your API credits, of course you should proceed to the payment method section. So basically you have to purchase so that you will be able to actually gain API credits for that. So yeah, that's basically how you can get your API key. And now again, you cannot create an API key without credit, so you do have to purchase credits first before doing it. So yeah, once you've created your API group, you will just have to go ahead and search for API keys, and of course, you do have to purchase credits again. And yeah, that's basically just it. And of course, you do have to know how to use it first because your key this key can be connected to Zapier, Edit, and custom scripts and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.